For the Dumb People, episode 10, belt storage. What do you do when you need to store a belt? What do you do when you need to store this flimsy thing that's just out in the open? What do you do? Do you just like crunch it up and stuff it in your drawer and throw it on the floor? Roll it up. Roll it up into a nice condensed piece and you can throw it around. Much like this. Very simple. So let's get to it, shall we? So I call this this series For the Dumb People for a reason. If you ever read, like, College Tricks, or, 10 Simple Life Hacks, there's some really cool, interesting things that you can find out. Like, just simple things that you can do in life to make everything work out better. It's awesome. So, what you need to do here, basically, is shove the tail end of your belt, or the end of it, through the loop, or the hook, through it several times. Just keep feeding it through. And don't make that mistake like I did there, just make it too tight. You can't shove it through again. So pull it out a bit. As you can see, you start off loose basically, and the more you go, obviously the tighter it gets, and then you can fix it later. It sounds kind of complicated. All you're doing is shoving the tail end of your belt through the hook. Basically all there is to it. You know, and just play around with it. Throw it, play catch with it, whatever. Just throw it in your drawer. You're done. You can adjust it and drop it on the floor, like I did. It's simple, that easy. So if you want to keep watching, and you like more of these, just tune in next Wednesday, because I will be around with episode 11. Don't know what it will be about, but it will be interesting. And there you go. You see me unravel it there. Doesn't take that long. It's pretty simple, and your belt's not ruined. So please, just sit back and enjoy the rest of this song.